In this demonstration, I will use Microsoft Copilot to create a set of FAQs about accessing ebooks and databases in the LRC. Firstly, I ask, can you list the most common questions library users might have about accessing ebooks and databases? Copilot has generated a series of questions. Then I can ask, can you generate answers for FAQs about accessing ebooks and databases? As we can see, it's generating more content with answers to these questions. At this point, it is always a good idea to review the suggested answers and make sure it's suitable for the institution, perhaps provide a bit more detail. Finally, I could ask Copilot to organize the FAQs using the prompt, group the FAQs into categories for easy navigation. Use categories like general library information, resource access, and technical support. Ensure each FAQ is placed under the most relevant category. My aim here is to organize the questions before publishing. I could ask Copilot to do the same with the answers. AI tools are good at making suggestions and ideal to be used as an assistant in this way.